The trial for the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students will be moved to another county. The judge sided with Bryan Kohberger's defense, who said he just couldn't get a fair trial in Latah County. He is charged in the stabbing deaths of Madison Mogan, Xana Kernodle, Kaylee Gonsalves, and Ethan Chapin. Kohberger has pleaded not guilty. King 5's Cornelius Hawker is in studio tonight with what is going on in this case. Cornelius.
Greg, in November, it'll be 2 years since those students were found stabbed to death in an off-campus house. The trial is scheduled to start June 2025, and I spoke to a lawyer for perspective on the decision to move this high-profile case.
Legal analyst Mark Lindquist says Judge John Judge's decision to move Bryan Kohberger's trial out of Latah County hinged on 2 things.
Number one, whether or not the defendant could receive a fair trial from local jurors. And number 2, whether or not the local courthouse could handle this major spectacle of a trial.
On the first factor, Lindquist says judges and lawyers overestimate how much jurors are tainted by media coverage.
In my experience, and I've done some high-profile homicide cases, jurors come in with a pretty open mind. No matter what they've heard, they base their verdict on the evidence.
But on the second factor, Lindquist concedes.
The judge knows whether or not his courthouse can handle a major spectacle trial like this.
The family of Kaylee Gonsalves released a statement saying, in part, the family is incredibly disappointed in the judge's ruling granting the change of venue. Going on to say, if the judge knew Latah County could not handle this trial for safety reasons, not enough court clerks, logistics, and lacking space, why did we waste over a year in a county he knew was not going to handle the trial? They also criticized having a University of Idaho employee as an expert witness, along with allowing Kohberger to appear dressed in a suit for every television hearing. Gonsalves' family believes the trial deserves to be held in Latah County to help the community heal. Lindquist agrees.
Cases really ought to be heard in the same community where the crime occurred.
Now, the trial will more than likely move to Boise. The Idaho State Supreme Court will make that call, but they haven't set a timeline for when that'll happen.